How are you, Shikha?
I'm doing great.
Great, great, great. Where are you
Asking.
from? Sorry?
Thanks for asking.
Yes, my dear. Where are you from, Shikha?
I am from UP.
I see, I see. That's
Okay.
great. That's great. That's great. Yes, Shikha, tell me. Tell me something about yourself. How things with you? What's going on?
Yeah, things is going everything fine. And as you know, I'm Sikha Singh and I'm from UP. So
I
I have
see.
completed my graduation and in science. And apart of graduation, I also done my diploma in education. So right now I'm working as a primary teacher. And my hobbies are dancing and reading books. That's all.
Well, I
Okay.
have seen you. I have seen you somewhere. Isn't it? I forget where, but
Okay. Oh,
I
it's my uh,
well, I
but
have
I
seen. I forget where. I really have seen you, but I completely forget where.
yeah.
I don't know.
Recently I started to create make videos with the people and conversation. So
I
might be
Yes,
you were yeah. Okay.
you have a YouTube channel, dear.
Yes, recently, I mentioned that recently I started. So
Uh,
okay, yeah.
what's
Over
your
there.
channel? What's your channel name? Tell
English
the people.
Singh. English with Sikha Singh. I just recently started, so I had no idea. Means how is it going? But there is few subscriber. I only started, so okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell one thing over here, behalf of you to other people. You know, recently what happened with me 4 days ago,
Oh,
28th of the July, 4 days ago, 28th of the July at night, 8 p.m. Someone hacked my channel.
oh my
My
God.
Yes.
Oh.
So
So
I'll tell you. I'll tell you the whole story. I'll tell you the whole story. Someone hacked my channel. I don't know how it happened. I don't. I really completely don't know. I have the protection, two-step verification. You know, I have a recovery email as well. I have the phone number. I have the so many things. I have completely locked my profile, but somehow hacker they hacked my channel. You know how they hacked my channel. They offer me to, you know, what is sponsorship. They give me an
oh,
offer for a sponsorship. When I download, when I see their email, when I download one particular file, after downloading a particular file, they got access to hack my account.
yeah.
That's how they access my account. You know, they completely change my recovery email, my phone number, my each and everything. They change my YouTube channel name as well. Okay.
Oh my God.
Yes, I'll tell you the story. So I was so depressed. Last 4 days, I was so depressed. I really don't understand what to do, what not to do. So, I call Anand Sharma. You know the English. Yes.
Yeah, I talked to him. I talked to him earlier. So that's why after that I thought I should connect it with you. So now I just you.
So this is listen to me. It will be helpful for you in the future. You
Okay.
know, it will be helpful for you in the future. So I talked to him and I called him that something happened with me like that. Can you please help me? So he helped me and he called the YouTube creator partner. He chat with them. He sent my contact email address, second email address, and there is some procedure was going on. So within a 4 days, I got my email ID, hacked email ID as well as my YouTube channel. Yesterday night, I got my YouTube channel.
Oh, thanks
Yes,
God. Yeah, thank
yes,
God. You struggled over there means yeah.
I trouble a lot. I trouble a lot. I depress a lot. You know, I was
Definitely.
crying. What happened to me?
Yeah,
Someone
right.
hacked my channel.
Yes. This is a matter where we, not only you, if someone other as you, then he also, I think. depressed at that time. So
Yes, yes, yes. So the moral of the story is be careful. The
yeah, right.
moral of the story is be careful. Don't share your phone number, your email address with an unknown person. Even if you'll get the email ID, email from them, don't click on the link which is given into the mail or into the WhatsApp, whatever it is. Don't click. Don't download any suspicious software from Play Store or any APK or any Google Drive file. If you by mistake download it, so go
Yes.
to your computer or your phone and format your mobile or download the file.
Okay, okay.
Delete the file. Sorry, delete the file.
Great, Dr. Yes, yes.
Yes. This is a lesson for you. This is a lesson for you
Yeah, definitely.
as well.
Yes, yes, that I learned because yeah, I had no idea because yeah, it didn't happen with me, but you troubled by this. So if you are saying, then definitely, we
Just
should just be aware about this.
protect your password, strong password. Make a two-step verification. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
don't try to open phishing mail. There are so many people that are trying to fish. They send phishing mail to you. So be careful. Be
Okay.
careful. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, sure, sure.
Not only you, not only you. I'm telling everyone who is watching this video. Be
Right,
careful.
right. Yes.
Careful. Yes. Anyway, this is something technical department. Let it be this thing. Tell me, what you do? What you do, Shikha? What you do?
So yeah, I mentioned you that I am a primary teacher. So
Well, I forget. I was there. I preoccupied something with my account.
yeah,
I forget. Please
I can
don't.
understand.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
no problem, no problem. Yes,
yes,
so that's my job that I had to do.
yes.
And
You are a primary English teacher or something else?
no, in primary, so we had to taught all subject, not only particular. Yeah, because you can see that there is sometimes a lack of teacher, not sufficient teacher. So we had to teach them all. Otherwise,
Right.
I mentioned that I was a student. I did graduation in science, so biology is my
Right.
subject.
So, what's your qualification? May I know if you don't mind? What's your qualification?
Yeah, I did graduation, and
Graduation in biology.
yeah. And a part of graduation means I did, diploma in education, elementary diploma, and right now I'm pursuing a B.Ed program from
Right.
a distance, yeah, from distance education. I think you must have heard the name of IGNU. So
Right.
yeah, I'm doing IGNU. Yeah, B.Ed from IGNU.
Does IGNO is valid if you will go some reputed college or somewhere else to get the job? Does IGNO are accepted? Well, I have no idea. I wanted to know from you.
Yeah, just somewhere the person they told like this is not valid, but still it is valid. If something would be happen, then definitely it would be just cleared by them because there is no guideline, so it means it is valid everywhere.
Mm-hmm. And why you changed from biology to be a primary student? Why? What happening to you?
Yeah, it was coincident at that time because after graduation I was about to do some nursing course and all, but my brother he suggested me that you should do elementary education course, and then I just enrolled over there. And after my just diploma, after diploma just I had to clear exam. I think you must have heard the UP TET and Super TET. So just I have cleared, and after that just I got into job. So there was no any gap for doing something else. It was just a by in a line. So that's right.
So it means your brother suggests you to go to learn these things, go to study these things. And who suggests you to study biology? Who suggests you?
That was my decision.
I thought your father or mother suggests you to go for a biology.
No, 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 no one. That was my decision. But okay, after that, my brother suggested that you should do this. Then I didn't deny. Okay, just tell okay. If you means if you all are my whole family are agree and they is able to just means work on myself like to do this, and if they trust to me, then I should do this. So that's why I just.
Okay. Okay. What's your dream? What's your goal now? What's your aim now? What you trying to do? What you trying to achieve now?
So now because now I started learning speaking and English, and also because that is the one thing that I wanted to do, but I didn't do because earlier I think very well there was no social media and all, no facilities, so that's why we were just not privileged. But now we have, so I think we should do. So that's why I started, and I want to become a lecturer, so an English lecturer, and so that's why I started to do this.
Yes, yes. Well, how long have you been learning English, Shikha?
So it has been only 4 months.
Or I have a similar question. Someone suggests you to learn English? Someone suggests you to learn English, or this is
No,
from your?
no, never. Because, yeah, this is my passion. I mentioned that I wanted to do, but I didn't do because due to the situation and all. But when I just got some uh, platform, then I thought okay, I should start because the lockdown was held, and we are still at home at the time. Then I started, I just found here and there, and started to talk someone, make some practice on audio call. So like this I started. No one suggested me, even my family member, they didn't know, means they don't know that I am started to do like a video on uploading on YouTube channel. They don't have idea. They are know still that I am doing something, I am making videos, but they have no idea, just I also uploaded it
So
because
you are on the right track now. You are on the right track now. Love what you do. Do what you love. Love what you do. Enjoy your passion. Learn
yeah,
what you know. Don't depend on your family that my people are telling me like to do such things. No, enjoy your life. Do what you
yeah,
love. Love what. Yes.
that is why I started. I also watched your some videos, and over there in one video that was I think Camly and all, someone. So you were talking from that next side. She was asking that what do you do, then you replied that what should I ask, because I'm a auto driver and all. So I impressed that I impressed really, because yeah, your communication was nice, and you are talking very nicely, smoothly, without any stuck and fumbling. So I thought, okay, means the person who have passion, they can
Mhm.
do. So why, if I wanted to do, then I also should start. So like that, I started just to watch some videos and all.
Yeah, that's great. If you have passion, you can achieve. It
Yeah,
doesn't matter your graduation or study, but if you have
yeah,
passion, you can learn anything. Anything you can learn.
definitely. Yeah, that the thing that I learned from your video.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Shikha. Thank you very much. Then, Shikha, it's time to move on. Would you like to ask me some more questions related to anything? Would you like to ask me something? Or
That one question that I would like to ask.
um,
Could you tell me about your English experience, something, your tips and tricks that I would like to follow?
well, I'll tell you one thing. Keep practice. Keep practice your English. The way you practice speaking, practice talk with anyone with whom you would like to speak. Talk every day. That's enough. I don't want to say anything. You know very well. You are a teacher. But if you want to enhance your English, speak every day. Talk every day.
Okay, definitely.
This is called English speaking practice. Practice your English every day. Like the way we are doing right now. This is our practice. We are
Yes.
practicing right now. Sika?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
Yes. Thank you. Then thank you very much.